Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What symptoms may indicate my vehicle's spark plugs need replacing? Rattling, pinging or knock-like noises. When spark plugs begin to misfire, you may notice unusual noises from the force of the pistons and combustion not working properly. Hard vehicle start. Reduced performance. Poor fuel economy.
Let's help you make your mark.
In short, yes, in some situations spark plugs can increase horsepower. These massive gains of 1 or 2% generally won't be exceeded, even if you're replacing really old and worn spark plugs for new ones. In this case, you're essentially just restoring your car back to its peak performance.
Take our lead.
For optimal engine performance, replace your spark plugs every 30,000 to 50,000 miles with our supply of trusted products. Whether you need F150 performance spark plugs, a new performance spark plug for Tahoe or anything in between, AutoZone has the solution. In addition, you can save with our free shipping program.
Take our lead.
Replacing your old worn spark plugs and failed plug wires with new spark plugs and new plug wires can improve fuel economy. Replacing a faulty oxygen sensor can improve your fuel economy by as much as 40%.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.